Hey everyone, thank you for joining me in another motivating cleaning video. I am so glad that you are here today and decided to check out this video. I hope that this video provides you with lots of motivation to tackle any cleaning, laundry, or organizing in your home. To get started, I am in my room and I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. I want to know down below, do you make your bed every single day? I do not. I probably should, but I actually do not make my bed every single day, but I'm trying to get better at making my bed every day, staying on top of the clutter and staying on top of the cleaning, and doing a pretty good job at it so far. Today's video is in collaboration with another creator here on YouTube. Her name is Kayla. She is a stay-at-home mom of 3 kids, and she has a lot of amazing and motivating content over on her channel, Mommy of 3. Please check out the description box down below and head on over to her channel to watch some of her videos, like them, subscribe, and comment. Let her know that I sent you over there. Thank you, Kayla, for doing this collaboration with me. Going back to making better habits and staying on top of the clutter and the mess. I usually let my bedroom go. If I'm being honest, this area just gets cluttered so quick. It's kind of a catch-all, just throw everything in there. But I've worked really hard at tackling it. And so it didn't need a deep clean because I recently did that. But as you will see later in this video, I do some deep cleaning along the baseboards in the hallway. I can't even tell you the last time that I've actually got down on my hands and knees to scrub the baseboards. So it definitely was a chore that needed to get done. A part of my spring cleaning. I am kind of behind on spring cleaning in my home. I'm tackling areas one at a time as I can, while keeping up on the other areas of my house, like my daily routines, keeping up on my kids' schedules, going to the gym, and just homemaking in general. So the deep spring cleaning is a little bit slower than I would like. I would like to be further along, but I am just doing the best that I can, and I know that the cleaning is always going to be there. It is a never-ending process, so just trying to give myself a little bit of grace and be satisfied and be happy with the task that I'm able to complete each day. I did have one basket of laundry to fold. That is another task and chore in my home that I have been staying on top of, and it's been so wonderful to only do a couple loads at a time instead of doing like 6 loads at a time. So proud of myself for that. I hope it lasts. I hope I can continue this routine. But for now, I'm just enjoying being on top of the laundry. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for taking the time to check out my video today. My name is Brittany. I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids, and I also have 4 dogs. I'm married to my best friend Josh, and we live in sunny Arizona. Here on my channel, I do post a variety of content, all focused around motherhood and lifestyle, from day in the life vlogs, cooking and cleaning videos, shopping hauls, and meal plans. If you are enjoying today's video and haven't hit that red subscribe button, please do so down below. It is free, it costs you nothing, but it helps my channel grow, and I truly appreciate the support so much. If you are a returning friend and subscriber, thank you for your support. I have moved into the bathroom. It does not need a deep clean, but I did want to take the time to wipe down all of the surfaces just to get it sanitized and germ-free. I'm now moving into our hallway here downstairs. This area needed a deep clean as far as the baseboards go. I have never scrubbed the baseboards. We moved into this home in October 2020. Before moving in, my mom actually helped us deep clean the house. I had just had surgery, so I wasn't able to do it, but my mom was a huge help, and my stepmom as well. And so they both helped us move and pack and clean both houses, the new one before we moved in and our previous house that we sold. So I never personally scrubbed the baseboards, but I know that my mom helped out. So this was definitely a chore that needed to be done for my spring cleaning. day, it happened to be a rainy day for us here in Arizona. I love the rain, and that's because we don't get it that often here. And so when we do get rain, it just puts me in a really good mood, and I love it so much. Unfortunately, it didn't last very long. It only rained the morning of, and by the time it was the afternoon, it already stopped and was bright and sunny. And it's been actually pretty warm here, up in the mid 90s, low 90s for the past week, except on this particular day it dropped down to, I believe it was 68 degrees because of the rain. I am not ready for the summer yet and the high heat. I would love if it just stayed in the 70s, maybe even 80s a bit longer. How is the weather where you live? Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on into the kitchen, as you can see, our island is cluttered. It's always cluttered. It is a catch-all for our home, kind of like my bedroom. Maybe just every area in my home is a catch-all. I don't know what the problem is, but I needed to get it cleared off. I don't do any real deep cleaning of the kitchen in this video. That's because it was the evening, late afternoon, right before dinner. I didn't want to, deep clean the stove and all of the kitchen counters just to cook dinner and get it all dirty again. So I'm just doing a quick clean, getting all the things put away, getting the dishes done, getting the sink emptied, and ready for the next pile of dishes right after dinner. we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you again for watching and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, please hit that red subscribe button. Come on over and join my growing YouTube family. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I love to chat with all of you in the comments and get to know all of you as my friends and subscribers. Thank you again to Kayla for doing this collaboration with me. Don't forget to check out the description box down below and check out her content. I know you guys will love it and find lots of motivation. As you can see, the rain is gone and the sun is shining. Stay tuned for Monday's video. It will be another day in the life vlog. Have a great weekend, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.